Hey everyone, my name is McKenna Brassfield. I am the owner of McKenna Brassfield Photography. That is the business I started this semester, and I'm going to be talking to you really quickly about the success I had and my plans for launching my official business in January. So, I do wedding and portrait photography. So, my main focus is wedding photography and working with couples, but I also take pictures of seniors or people graduating and families. So, I have a couple different packages that I do, usually for portrait sessions. Slash engagement sessions. They have two locations, two outfits, 75 edited images, professional prints, access to online gallery. Weddings are pretty similar. They get all of that, plus just more specific to weddings is 8 hours of coverage. They get more prints, and they have about 1,000 images that are delivered to them. And I started my pricing out pretty low just because I wanted to see if I would even get clients this semester. And I did get quite a bit. This is the clients and slash the bookings that I got from a couple of them I didn't know, so that was kind of exciting. My overall revenue was 165, and that's not everything that I made this semester, but the couple of weddings that I had, it was just before the semester started, so I didn't count that in my overall revenue. I started really working with social media. This is where I got all of my clients. I started with my Facebook page after I interviewed my entrepreneur. He really pushed me to start a Facebook page, which I was really nervous about, but I started my Facebook page, and then I started doing what were these like little blogs where after a session I would kind of um, tell what happened during the session, make it sound really nice, and tell a little bit about the client and highlight them, and as well as curate specific photos that would attract my ideal client. And so, and I really worked hard on just doing blogging that was very intentional, that was interesting to read, that also just made my clients feel really good about their session and hopefully get um, the word of mouth spreading so that more people knew about my business. So as I posted these just little miniature blogs on Facebook, I really worked on curating my images. So what curating is you're choosing the images that you are going to be posting, whether it's on a blog or social media or on your website. You want to be very specific with what you are choosing to put, because I could have put these lovely images onto my Facebook page, but instead I chose to post these. And these are more true to my brand. These are also hopefully attracting my ideal client, which is a bride who is very detail centered and who also likes very light and airy images. And so these are just a couple more, excuse me, a couple more of my clients that I had that I really just try to work hard on my brand and getting consistent light and airy look throughout all my pictures. I also have a posing system that I use to enhance the experience that my client had, where I would coach them through the entire session so that when, you know, you're in front of a camera and you feel a little awkward, hopefully that awkwardness kind of melts away as I'm able to pose them and talk with them throughout the session, and therefore hopefully making it so that they start talking about their session and their experience, and that I'm getting more clients um, through my clients talking about how much fun they had in their session. So my future plans, just for launching my business in January, is I'm wanting to create a Trello account, which is just a website that helps you organize tasks. I want to come up with different pricing packages because I will be upping my prices. I want to create a contract with a lawyer, a style guide, email templates, create an Instagram work on my social media and my marketing. And then my future equipment includes a camera and lens for my second shooter, as well as just like your general, like I would like to design a website. That's going to cost a little bit of money. I would like to purchase PassPlus, which is a way to deliver online galleries that are professional. And so my future funds are about $5,000. Most of that will be in the camera equipment for my second shooter. But I'm really excited to launch my business in January. I've been getting more and more people who are requesting pictures, and it's coming from social media. So I have seen a lot of success with marketing, and I'm really excited and hopeful for the future. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation of McKenna Brassfield Photography.